So the shift between being a biomedical and being a marketer was huge. That is where I felt, SPJN could fill that gap for me. The reason I chose SPJN Global for my MBA was because I'm a mom. So as a mom, I have to prioritize my kids, and there was no way I could, stay away from home for a long time. So SPJN's online classes allowed me to be at home with my children while I still managed to pursue my MBA, which I think is a great opportunity for all mothers out there. And that was the most important factor that led me to choose SPGen. The ELO platform has been a blessing in disguise. The ELO platform actually gave me the confidence to go on video calls and speak my mind out without any fears. It's a virtual environment, but you still, manage to fit in a joke or two between your sessions, and that gives that real classroom feel when you're sitting in ELO class. I've been a SaaS marketer for almost 10 years now, and I felt that there were a lot of gaps in my understanding of business. That's where EMBA has been very, very helpful for me. It's come in very handy because I have started speaking a language that is being understood by their stakeholders. Though I'm in middle management, understanding the wholesome picture around how a business runs is very important as to where I position myself and, for my future growth in the organization. I'm very proud to be a part of SPGen Global, which is ranked number 24 in the world QS ranking. It's a very proud moment for me, and I know how world-renowned this course has been. The 18 months of rigorous training that EMBA gives us is not just soft skills, it's also tactical skills. And it's not just about, learning and just understanding the business language. It's more about implementing everything that you learn in real life projects, through mini projects at work, through ECAP sessions that we have regularly. It takes mental grit sometimes for you to balance and still manage to come and sit for an yellow class with a very smiley face. And one of my favorite quotations that I heard from Dr. Monica, who's our assistant dean at SPGen, is that when I told her I was getting very overwhelmed with the course and it's taking a toll on me, she told me, pick your subjects, choose your battles. You need to identify those subjects that are actually going to add value in your career path and choose to pursue those with 100% focus, while the other subjects are a good add-on to your learning.